Page 28. Tommy, I put a seed into the ground and said, I'll watch it grow. I water it and care for it as well as I could know. One day, I walked in my backyard, and oh, what did I see? My seed had popped itself right out without consulting me. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill. Went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. And Jill came tumbling after. Jack be Nibble. Jack be Nibble. Jack be quick. Jack jump over. Jack jump over the candlestick. Page 29. There was a little girl. There was a little girl. There was a little girl who had a little curl right in the middle of her forehead. When she was good, she was very, very good. And when she was bad, she was horrid. Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Georgie Porgy. Georgie Porgy. Georgie Porgy, pudding and pie, kissed the girls and made them cry. When the boys came out to play, Georgie Porgy ran away. Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.